Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly on business advice, e-commerce strategies, and mindset. So if you like what you're seeing, if you like what you're learning, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that notification bell so you get all my latest updates. So last week, I posted a hack for your email confirmation email that goes out to your customer to increase your average order value. Now, I got a lot of positive response from that video. So if you missed that video, go back and watch it. It's really helpful. It definitely helped my business as well, just to customize that confirmation email to increase your AOV. And we all know how important AOV is for your business. Today, I want to continue with that theme to show you another hack that is super useful that I've been using in my business just because it has to do with ad reporting. Now, if you are in the position to create more accounts for scaling, this is super useful for you as well because, as you know, analytics is super important for your business, knowing your numbers, right? So with this hack, you can actually create a new ad account and you don't have to go back and manually adjust all the reporting columns. So I'll show you how to do that. It will save you a lot of time. But without any further ado, let's just jump into this video right now. Let's go. All right, so you should see my ad account on my screen right now. This is my demo ad account. So when you create your new ad account, you should see something similar where on the right hand side you'll see columns and by default it's set to performance. But what you want to do is actually go to customize columns and customize your reporting and follow the metrics that you want to measure. Some of these you can remove, some of them you want to keep. So to speed up this video, I already created a sample column reporting section that I call ROI. So all you have to do is go into customize columns, and then I have these columns already set up. And then you just have to go ahead and save as preset. But the first time you come in here, when you adjust all these columns, it will take some time and it's really annoying. Every time when you create a new ad account, you have to set all these up manually again, over and over again. And it gets pretty tedious and annoying if you have to do this for all your ad account. And it really frustrates me when I have to do that. But here's the hack though. Here's the hack that can speed up everything for you. Once you have everything set up the way you like it, go ahead and give it a name and save as preset. And then just go ahead and apply. And what you can also do is, so I have this saved already, so I can just go ahead and rename it or override it. And I can actually set this as default as well. So next time when I come in, this reporting will be my default. Now, normally when you create a new ad account, you have to set all this up again. But with this hack, you can actually carry this setting over to your new ad account. So what you have to do is go ahead and create your new ad account. And all you have to do is make sure you're on the columns that you want to have set. So this is the ROI columns over here. And all we have to do is keep it on ROI. Go down to this drop down menu on the top left corner. Go ahead and select your ad account that you just created. And then you see all these columns are carried over. It will say custom. And what you want to do is click on this drop down menu and then go ahead and custom columns. And all this information will still be here. And all you have to do now is click on save as preset and then save or apply. And then from here, just go ahead and set as default. So now just 2 to 3 clicks of a button, you have your reporting all done. So once you actually do the first initial setup, all your other ad account is just a couple click of a button and you can carry all your reporting back over. So this is one of my favorite hacks because as you can see, I run different businesses and I have different ad accounts over here. And to do this manually, it will waste a lot of time, and time is money. All right, so that's just a super simple hack that I use all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this hack. And let me know what you want to learn on my future videos, and I'll see if I can create something just for you, all right? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.